Happy Friday! We're going to do our phonics lesson. So remember, first you watch me and then you repeat. First we're going to do rhyming. Did, lid. He, see. This, miss. Bite, kite. Go, no. Great. The next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word and then the first sound. Then you repeat. Was, w. Zip, z. Yes, ya. Fish, f. 7, s. Great. Next one, you're going to need your choppers because we are going to be chopping up a word. All right. Remember, watch me first, then it's your turn. P, N, pen. Odd, rod. Ache, lake. Run. Pull. Excellent. Next one, we're going to be punching it out, our last final sound. Here we go. Watch me, then it's your turn. Rock, k. Safe, f. Big, g. Bridge, j. Hop, p. Excellent. Get those choppers back out. This time we're going to say the word first, then chop it up. Here we go. 9, ein. 10, n. Got, ought. Fish, ish. Did, id. Excellent. Next one is adding phonemes. So you're going to need your hands. We're going to add parts of the word. All right, you're going to start with uck. Add d. Duck. Good. Uck. Add luck. Uck. Add tuck. Uck. Add puck. Uck. Add buck. Very good. Next one, we're going to be deleting phonemes. So you're going to have your hands holding a little word in your hands. All right, remember, repeat after me. Your word is bell. Without b, what's left is l. Very good. Fell. Without f, what's left is l. Tell. Without t, what's left is l. Well. Without w, what's left is l. Sell. Without s, what's left is L. Very good. All right, so today you have finished your whole rhyme. Let's see if we can say the whole thing together today. So what I want you to do is first listen to me say it, then you see if you can say the whole thing, and then we'll say the whole thing together. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. All right, now you try. Great. That's a long one. All right, let's do it one more time. This time we do it together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. Very good. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.